Good day everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to multiply two numbers using pointers in C programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, subscribers, silent viewers that is always watching my videos. Thank you for your comment, suggestion, likes. If you're new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. I would like to shout out Sir Ernil, Marshmallow, Sir Daven, and Ma'am Robelin. If you want to be shout out in my channel, just leave your name and then shout out. So let's get started. So I'm using Dev C++ in writing this program. So we have here line number 1. We have here sharp includes tdo.h. It is a library file for standard input-output header that allows us to use printf, scanf, basic commands in C. Line number 3, we have here int main. It is the starting point of every C programs. And then we have here line number 3, line number 4, we have here left curly bracket begin of our program. And then 5 and 6. Line 5 and 6, we have several variables int, num1, num2, multiply, and line numbers, that's not line number 5. Line number 6, we have here pointer p1 and pointer p2, no? So in C, by using an asterisk to a variable, it becomes a pointer. As we can see now, the data type is integer. When we say integer, it refers to values or variables that can only accept whole number, negative including 0. And then line number 8, we have here two new line, print formatting, and then we have here the title, \t horizontal tab, multiply two numbers using pointers in C. Line number 10, we have your new line. And then line number 11 up to 14, we are asking the user to give first number that will be stored in our variable num1. Second number, we have variable num2. Now here, in line number 16, we have your pointer p1, ampersand equals num1. The same thing with we assign here in pointer 2, no, p2, no, at num2. And then using multiply as assignment statement, we have here equals asterisk p1 multiply by asterisk p2. So this is the process. And then in this line 11 and 14 is the input, and then we have here the output. The product of %d and %t is %t. Pointer 1, pointer 2, multiply, and then end of program, which informs the user that the program has been done, and then we close. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Don't worry guys. So let us compile and run so that we can test. Multiply two numbers using pointers in C. We have 7 for first number. Second number, we have 4. The product of 7 and 4 is 28. End of program. Another example, we have 2, we have 6. The product of 2 and 6 is 12. End of program. Okay, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to multiply two numbers using pointers in C programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.